Hey everyone, this is Anna with Scrapping, Stamping, and Stuff. I am here today with a little break in our normal videos, and I am going to share May's Paper Pumpkin Kit with you. If you are new to Paper Pumpkin, it is a kit in the mail that comes with all of the stamps, ink, and paper supplies to make a really cute project. A lot of times it's cards, occasionally it is not. But it's a really amazing deal. You can get all of this each month for just a little over $20. And you can decide, you can sign up for 1 month, you can sign up as a subscription and it will come until you change it. Or you can sign up for a prepaid option and you can actually save a little bit of money on your kits as well. But this month's kit was called A Kit in Color. And it is a really fun one because these are introducing a lot of our for our new annual catalog. So I'm going to point them out to you. We have Magenta Madness, Just Jade, Bumblebee, Misty Moonlight is the blue, and then the one that we're missing that is not in this kit is Cinnamon Cider. But just really fun, bright colors that are perfect for this time of year. So I want to show you a little bit of what came in the kit. Here is my little Misty Moonlight ink spot. Here is the stamp set. So we have things to do rainbows. We have a few greetings. You'll see on these cards the different things that I used. And you're probably going to be hearing a lawnmower here, so just bear with me and ignore that if you don't mind. So these were, I should bring those back in for a second. These were the card designs that came in the kit. So the instructions are included in the pictures and the materials to make 4 of each of these cards. And the kits always come with envelopes, of course. So we have these really fun, our envelopes are never plain white envelopes. They're always fun and special in some way, a different shape or a different color. So the materials are included for these. I'm going to show you real quick how to make 2 of these, and then I'm going to show you I have a whole bunch of alternative ideas that you can use your kits for. I know sometimes my crafty creative folks are concerned about getting a kit because they like to be crafty and creative, and it's really, I don't know, it's a nice option to know you don't have to do what the kit is made for. You can absolutely switch it up, make some different things, and I will show you a bunch of ideas here in a minute. So I'm going to show you the pieces here. So I have the card base. I just attached this piece. My vellum, I'm going to put the adhesive on in the center here where it's not going to show behind my tag once I attach my tag. That is something you need to keep in mind. I love vellum on projects, and this month's kit had quite a bit of vellum. But you just need to keep that in mind when you are putting your adhesive on the back, that you don't want to put it where it's going to show through. There are some other tricks to attaching vellum that we will get into another day in another video, but for this kit it's nice just to kind of keep it behind where that tag is going to be and you won't see it. So I have my little bow tied up. We got tons of this twine in this kit. And we have these adorable little epoxy embellishments that we can add wherever we like them. So I'll add a few. Okay, so there is one of the cards. Now, this one, I used up all of my pieces on some other projects, so I'm going to show you. All you do is, this rainbow is pre-printed. You attach this directly to the card base, stamp your greeting on the little yellow tag here, and add the little bow and the embellishments. So that one was very quick and easy to create. And then this one, we will put together right here. I already stamped "Hey" on the cloud. So on this one, again, I have to keep in mind that on this vellum piece, I need to put my adhesive behind where the clouds will be. And there we go. This is kind of an estimate because I'm not exactly sure where my clouds are going to be. You don't see a lot of it on this printed paper. You don't see a lot of that design, so, or a lot of the adhesive through, so we'll attach that one down. We're going to attach this one on top, and then we will pop up this one in front. This month's kit included a full sheet of our big dimensionals, so that's kind of cool. These kits come, I said they come with everything you need, and they do. They come with the stamps, the ink, the paper, everything you need for whatever the project is that month, which was really nice. These are really great for people who are getting started crafting, but they're also really nice for people who are experienced stampers as well, because regardless of your level, you get to build up some stamps, you get a clear block your first month, you build up these little ink spots, which are really fun, so you can build up your ink colors without a big investment, and it's just a really cool program. So, I'll add a couple of embellishments here. One of the things I love about these kits is that they always come with so many extras. You always end up with extra materials, so embellishments or paper pieces. You have the ink, of course. This month's kit, like I said, has lots of twine. So here are the cards that came pre-designed. This is the way they were designed in the kit. Now, let's say you want to make something different up. I'm going to show you some alternatives here, and if you are looking for more ideas, simply go to Pinterest or Google and type in Paper Pumpkin May 2020 alternative ideas, or you can type in the actual name of the kit, so Paper Pumpkin, a kit in color, alternative ideas, and you will get lots of ideas, some of which will look similar possibly to the ones I'm going to show you right now. Oh my goodness, today's video, we got lawnmowers, we've got noises in the background and notifications. Life is a little nuts, and I hope you understand and forgive me and enjoy this video anyway. Okay, so I used one card kit. I did not have more than one of these kits, and I switched my pieces up a little bit and made all of these things we're going to see here. So I used the stamp set. I did add in my other ink colors. So I don't have the new ink colors yet. I was substituting very similar colors on this card. So I really liked how this one turned out with the rainbows. I popped them up and thought they turned out really cute. Here I did a similar card design to the clouds with the hay, and I really liked how it looked with the fun wavy print in the background. This one I thought turned out cute. I stamped these onto the vellum. When you stamp onto vellum, you have to either dry it quickly with a heat tool or hair dryer or something like that, or I just took another piece of paper and blotted the excess ink off so that it would dry fast, because it can sort of bleed onto vellum. Told you how much twine I got. I added the 3 layers of twine around here with that. This one I thought turned out cute. I did a bunch of messy thread on some of these. So here you can see a few more. This one, I stamped some of those rainbows in the background. I have one more card. This one I thought turned out really cute. So I'll show you. I used the Oh Happy Day stamp, and I inked it on my Melon Mambo ink pad. When I inked it, I kept the word O off the side so that I wouldn't get any ink over there. So I just inked Happy and Day, and then I used my Stampin' Chamois. You could use a baby wipe or paper towel if you don't have a chamois, and I wiped off the word Day. So the only part here that has ink on it is the word Happy, and pulling some cardstock I have over here. So I stamped Happy, and then I stamped happy again, and then I stamped happy a third time, and then I repeated the same thing down here on the bottom of the tag again. So that's kind of a fun technique. A lot of times when we see greeting stamps, we don't really think outside the box on how to use them, or how to, you know, how to use different words than "oh, happy day." So that was kind of a cute way. I thought that looked nice on that tag, to just use the word happy. And I have a grand finale project here that I like to try and come up with something a little different from cards if you want another idea besides cards. And this is a cute little wall hanging that I used with some of those pre-printed rainbows. So I used a piece of this is new designer paper that is going to be in our upcoming catalog. I used it because it has this Misty Moonlight color that matches the ink. And I die cut out these circles in the background, added a big piece of vellum, but most of the pieces and parts here are straight from that kit. I am not sure if you can see the full thing up and down, so I'm going to turn it sideways for just a second, let it lay there so that you can see the entire thing. And I thought this was just a really cute thing. Would be a nice gift for a child or a girl, something they can hang in their room or inside their locker if people ever go back to school, you know. But I just thought this was a fun, cute little project as an alternative for our kit this month. So I'll pull these back in. If you are interested in signing up for Paper Pumpkin, you can go to my website, scrappingstampingandstuff.com. Use the search bar, search for Paper Pumpkin, and you will find some links to some past blog posts where I'll have links to sign up for Paper Pumpkin. So like I said, you can sign up for 1 month. You can do a prepaid subscription and sign up for a lot at a time. But regardless of how you want to do it, it's a really fun thing to try out. So if you have questions, please contact me, and I hope to see you next time in another stamping video. Have a great day.